Are you finding the best USB to USB-C adapter for your phone, laptop and tablet? If yes, then you can check this Basesailor USB to USB-C adapter for every kind of phone, laptop and tablet. Firstly, I will share the customer opinion, other users' opinion. After that, if you think it's perfect, you can take action inside my video description. 33% discount available, and this is an Amazon product, so you can trust this product. Firstly, check the customer review here. Over 218k people globally rate this USB to USB-C adapter. 80% people rate as 5 star. Let's check some user opinion. Great adapter. You see here, right on the money. Great purchase for my vehicle. Decent, great product, work beautifully in my car. Small and easy usable. Now, if you want to get this USB to USB-C adapter, this is highly recommended. You see here, over 10k people purchased this adapter in the previous month. You see here, you will get various colors: black, blue, you see green, pink, purple, red, silver and white. You see all these colors are available. You see over 10k people purchase here, and Basesailor USB to USB-C adapter for iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16, 15, charger adapter, 3-pack USB-C. You see here everything. Now you see connector type USB to USB-C, and check the dimension, a specific user for cell phone, laptop and tablet. Now let's check some of the features here. You see all the features. Turn USB-A port of any of your device into USB-C on with this pack of adapter. Okay, drawable and colorful. Connection into continuation. You see here. If you check other combo, you can check this combo here. You also can check other adapter if you wish. You can check one of the best seller adapter. You can also check this only for $7 and this adapter for $6. Okay, you also can check this adapter only for $7. Now USB-C adapter 4-pack, USB-C male to USBA female version 3. You can check everything here. Inside my video description, you can get this page, and if you think it's perfect, you can take action inside my video description. USB to USB-C adapter, search and synchronize your device. You see like this, aluminum alloy shell and USB 2. You can check here. Built as for your tech, lower heat generation, increased durability, safe to use. USB 2 high speed data transfer, and you can transfer your transfer speed is 480 Mbps. Universal compatibility. You see USB Type C, earphone, USB-C hard drive, USB-C flash hard disk, then card reader. You see here. Check all this USB to USB-C adapter. You can check here. Some frequently asked question: does this adapter support CarPlay functionally? This adapter may support CarPlay in some car models, but not universally. Okay. Does this adapter transfer HDMI or VGA video signal? No. This adapter is USB 2 version and cannot transmit HDMI or VGA signal. Is this adapter compatible with all Dell docking station? You see here. No. What is the maximum data transfer speed? 480 Mbps. Okay. Can I use this adapter with a MegaSafe wireless charger? Yes, but please ensure that your power adapter provides a minimum output of 5 volt by 1. Okay. You can check other and you can compare with other USB to USB-C adapter. Check some other videos, other user videos. Now check the warranty. 30 days warranty here after purchasing this USB to USB-C adapter. If you think it's not perfect for you, you can refund it within the 30 days. Now this is all about this USB-C to USB to USB-C adapter for your phone, laptop and tablet. This is one of the best for only $6 and 33% discount available here. So guys, thanks for watching and staying with me, and don't forget to take action inside my video description, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Quick Amazon Review to be the first viewer all of my Amazon products honest review and my honest opinion and other users opinion here. So guys, thanks for watching and staying with me.